Welcome to another episode of Hard Revelation Confessions. Today's topic is going to be called Protect Your Daughters from the Wolves. As I look, many houses are divided. There's hardly no fathers in the home. And also, too, when there's no father in the home, your daughter will go out in the street and look for love and approval from the wrong kind of people. As a parent, your children are supposed to look up to you as their first love. So protect your daughters from the street, because it's nothing but disappointment, chaos, and destruction.